Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issue with the audio or the video, please do let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please do let me know. Yes, no issues in anything. All good. Great. Amazing guys. Amazing. So, how are you guys? Yeah, lost. What did they lost? Oh, okay. No issues in that. Okay. Um, this changed, yeah, a bit. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. No issues whatsoever. Great. So, how was your day, guys? How was your day? Did you guys enjoy it today? It's Sunday, I know. I'm not able to see a lot of different people live with us right over here. If most of the people don't join us, guys, then it would be better to do the class tomorrow itself because I don't want anybody to miss out on the class because of Sunday. I'm also able to understand that. Okay, but no issues in that, guys. So let me know, guys, what have you studied in our previous class? Just a bit of revision, if it's possible, guys. Slept for more than half a day. Good. Okay. Uh, okay, guys. Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our yesterday's class, guys? Just a quick revision, guys. Just a quick revision out there. We studied about a little bit about CSS frameworks. We studied about measurement units in CSS as well. We studied about pixels. We studied about percentages. Any other units of measurement that we have studied yesterday, guys? Any other units of measurements? Yes, viewport height and viewport width. Good. We have studied about EM as well, if I'm not wrong, right? That's good, Ayushi. Could you guys let me know what is the difference? Okay, what is the difference between percentage and VW, guys? Just a quick revision, guys. What is the difference between percentage and VW? Okay, just a quick revision so that you guys are not able to like you guys are not forgetting about it. Okay, what's the difference between the two, guys? Could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know, guys, what is the difference between percentages and VW? VW always works with body tags, that good. And percentage is related to the parent element, relative to the parent element. That's great, guys. So always remember these two things, guys. Okay, percentage with respect to the parent element, VW with respect to the body tag itself. So keep that in mind, guys, always. Okay. Uh, so that you don't forget about it. It's very easy to confuse the two, and I don't want you guys to confuse both of them. Okay, so no issues. Let's get started right away, guys. And today, what we are going to focus upon is learning about some of the padding, border, margins. What are these things, and how can we make sure that something like that, like how do we use it, and how do we take it further as well? So I think so. It will be very easy for you guys to understand. Have my pen, I guess, with me, so I will have to take it out from my bag. Give me a second. Okay. There's a lag. I'm not able to see a lag from my end, I guess. Not. Okay, give me a second, guys. Let me check the pen itself. It's lagging for everybody. Let me check if that's the case because from here I'm able to see that the streaming is happening absolutely fine from my end. I don't think so. There's any problem with the streaming right now. But let's see what happens. Put a tab on it as well. Okay. Okay. Good. So let me open up our tab itself. Very few people have turned up today. Is there any special occasion or something that I'm not familiar with? Could you guys let me know? Any thing that I'm not familiar with? Any special occasion that is there, or is just the Sunday blues that is happening right now? No issues with that. We'll see for the next few minutes itself. Because I don't want students to miss out on their classes. Otherwise, like it will be of no use to them, right? So we want to make sure that everybody is in the class and everybody is able to learn. Okay. So no issues in that, guys. We'll wait for 5 more minutes. If nobody is there, if people are not joining us, in that case, we'll just have the class tomorrow once again. Okay, no issues in that. So let's start with it, guys. So let's assume that you are going to create a house. Okay. So how like let's just assume that I'm going to create a house right now. So first I will buy a plot, right, guys? First thing that I will be doing is I'll buy a plot of land. Now what would you do? You are having a land right over here. Would you make the entire building that you want to create, your house, your villa that you want to create, would you create it in the entire plot that you have bought? Will you do that? Do let me know, guys. If you want to build a house for yourself, you'll first buy a plot. Then what would you do? What would you do? Okay, would you create the entire house on that entire plot itself? Would you do that or not? No, right? Why is that the case, guys? Why is that the case? You would want some breathing area around your house, right? Maybe you want to have a garden around your house itself. What did you do? The first thing, you'll make your house right over here. So this is your house. Then you'll make some padding, that is some type of like greenery or some kind of uh, lawn or some park that is there around your house itself, a little bit of garden around your house, right? So that it's not crowded, you are having some open free space itself. Along with that, you will want to have a border around your house as well, a wall that surrounds your house, that protects your house at all particular point of time. That a wall, you cannot build it like across your plot, right? You have to build the wall inside of your plot itself. You cannot build it on your neighbor's plot, otherwise he will kill you. Okay, and then the next day you will come into the newspaper that somebody has killed you for using somebody else's plot. So what you're going to do is you're going to use that particular area to build a wall across your entire house, right, guys? Please let me know. That is how you will be utilizing your plot itself. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. So build a border around your entire house inside of your plot itself. Now, how would you feel that if such type of plots existed all around you? Okay, if one person has built a plot right over here as well, one person has built a plot right over here, one person has built a plot right over here, one has a house right over here as well. There's a house that is present right over here. Okay, if this is happening, guys, from my end, the internet is working absolutely fine. I don't know. Are you guys facing? Is it lagging a lot, guys? Please let me know. Is it lagging a lot, guys? Please let me know, guys. Okay. So if it's lagging for a few seconds, just bear with it. Okay, that is all that I can suggest for today. Okay, so let's focus upon the thing itself, guys. So right over here, guys, if you are able to see, if the other people that are there around your house itself also start building up their houses in the exact same way, will this be nice or not, guys? Please let me know. For example, if this particular person has built his house right over here, this particular person has built his house right over here, this person has built his entire house right over here itself, so on and so forth, from all the ends of your house everything is covered with just another house, will that be fine or not, guys? Please let me know. Why will it not be fine for you? Think about it. If other people are also building their houses like this, okay, why will it not be fine? Because you are not able to get in and out of your house. The path is required. Exactly, that's absolutely correct, Kumar. Some path is also required out of the house itself, right, guys? From where will you get in and out of your house? You need some space around your house itself. So for that, you have roads that you build around your house. Now, you have bought this plot, not you are not going to give your land to build the roads, right? Nobody else is going to give their land to build the roads as well. So the land that is there on which the roads are being created. For example, this is the road that is being created all across your house itself. That road is owned by the government. Am I right or wrong, guys? That road will be owned by the government. It is not your property. That is not your neighbor's property. It is the government's property that is there. And this helps. Okay, this helps in maintaining a kind of margin with the other houses. Okay, some space between the houses as well that these roads are able to create. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. These roads will be able to create some kind of margin around your houses as well, that separates and spreads around all the different villas. Okay, so the same concept applies to web development as well. Okay, you are having a particular tag. Let's assume the h1 tag itself. Okay, let's assume the h1 tag right over here. This is your h1 tag. Let's put up a particular d. Okay, so d, then you are having this e, b right over here. This is your h1 tag, guys. Your home is basically your h1 tag. Now the h1 tag will have some padding around it, inside its own space, some border around it as well that it requires, and then some margin around it on the website. Think about the website as the earth. Okay, think about the website as the earth. Okay, the space that is occupied by the h1 tag is just the house itself, and the land that the h1 tag owns, okay, that is of the h1 tag itself, is around it. So if I go to my website, itself, guys, let me go to my website. Let me create it here as well. And let's create our let's go to code sandbox. Guys, from my end it's not actually buffering. I don't know why it's buffering from your end. We'll see. If it is buffering a lot, we'll just do the class tomorrow. There's no issues in that. Page. Sure. Okay, no issues in that, guys. If there is a lot of buffering today, let's just skip it out as well. We'll do the class tomorrow itself. There's no issues in that. Guys, you all need to be on the same page. Some of you guys are saying it's buffering, some of you guys are saying it's not buffering. Okay, no issues in that, guys. We'll just have the class tomorrow itself. Okay. So no attendance for today. We'll just have the class again tomorrow. Okay. Guys, there will be no attendance for today. We'll just have the class once again tomorrow. I think so. It's Sunday as well. Even if it's not lagging, I guess people are not interested to sit today. But if it's buffering as well, I don't want you guys to not be able to understand today's class because it's very important. Okay. We'll have the class tomorrow, guys. No issues in that. Okay. I'm providing you guys with the information right over here. Okay. We'll have the class tomorrow once again. Okay, no issues in that. Just make sure that okay, it's a Sunday. I am able to understand. You guys also enjoy. Okay, we'll have the class tomorrow. Hey, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.